Yesterday we discussed about cyclic compounds. Anjan, you missed. Cyclic compounds we finished, and that is also we started bicyclic compounds also, Anjan. Okay, so we're discussing about the bicyclic compounds nomenclature, which we can call as a bicyclic compounds means when two cyclic rings are fused with two carbon atoms are called as a bicyclic compounds. Okay, in this one, while writing the IUPAC numbers of the bicyclic compounds, first, so what is the prefix we are writing means prefix we are taking as a bicyclo. Like cyclic compound, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, and all, however you are writing as a cyclo as a prefix. For this one also we are taking as a bicyclo as a prefix. Okay, and these two carbon, what are the two bridged? So two carbon atoms are fused to cyclic rings. The two carbon atoms are called as a bridged carbon atoms. Okay, and total number of carbon atoms we are considering it as a root word. Total number of carbon atoms we are considering it as a root word. So how we can write the IUPAC nomenclature means first prefix bicyclo before writing the root word. So the number of carbon atoms, that means in a cyclic ring, right side cyclic ring, how many carbon atoms are there? Left side cyclic ring, how many carbon atoms are there? Excluding bridged carbon atoms. Excluding bridged carbon atoms, we are representing in a brackets. Okay, that we are writing in a decreasing order. After writing the number of carbon atoms, total number of carbon atoms we are writing in a root word. Shall we try some examples? Shall we try, ma? Aditi, is any raining is there? Sriveda is not connecting properly. I think so. She's having network problem. Anjani, is any rain is there?
No, sir.
Okay, so all of you are getting my voice now?
Yes, sir.
Right, Aditi. So yesterday we had seen some examples. Now we'll try some more examples here. For bicyclic compounds only. So today we'll finish the cyclic compounds. Yeah. So what is the IUPAC name of the bicyclic compound? What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Sir, we can start the numbering from the bridged carbon atoms. Okay, from here we can start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atoms are there.
Sir,
Okay,
is it bicyclo 2, 1 heptane?
Bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane. It is correct only, Aditi. It's correct only. I think so. Both the structures are similar only, na?
Yes.
Above one, below one. Okay, and a small change in this one. I'll give one more structure. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound, ma? What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Sai, Akshit, Aditi, Samita is attended or not today? Anjan, Sriveda. So what is the IUPAC name? So we can start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there.
Sir,
Total.
bicyclo 2, comma 2, comma 2, octanol,
Of
2 nol,
the
2 nol.
two own one.
Sir, it's a double.
Yeah, it's not a double bond, it's a ketone functional group. No? C double bond O. C double bond. Aditi, correct only. But it is not the known. What is the suffix of the ketone functional group? O-N-E.
No, sir, I thought it was aldehyde.
No. How it is aldehyde? Let's say aldehyde, it won't be present in middle of the chain one. Aldehydes, carboxylic acids always be present at terminal carbon atom. Okay, I got the clarity. So if you want to give one more structure like that, means I'll give one. So to avoid your confusion. Okay.
So aldehydes are always present at the end, while ketones can.
And only always present at terminal only. They cannot be present at middle of the chain.
So ketones only in the middle of the chain, and aldehydes
Always be present. Let's see. Here I'm writing as here CHO. Okay, CHO. And this also we can write as double bond here. Now, any guess about this answer here? What is the bicyclic? What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Aditi, as per you. Now, if you see in this one, two different is there. Aldehyde is there. Yeah, Aditi, you got the answer. Now we can start the numbering from here. 1,
bicyclo
2,
2, comma 2, comma 1, hept 2 in nol.
bicyclo
2,
2,
1,
1,
hept
F,
2 in
2 in.
2 nol.
It's not the 2 alma. Actually, CHO group is present outside of the cyclic ring. If it is present outside of the cyclic ring, that we can call as a 1 carbaldehyde. Sorry, 2 carbaldehyde. 2 carbaldehyde. 2 carbaldehyde. Okay?
We didn't learn about this one, like carboaldehyde.
Yeah. So I will tell you here. I will say, first of all, I will give the difference here. First of all, let us see. So here CHO it is there. Is that clear? And one more I'm writing as a CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CHO. Is that clear, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first time, what is the IUPAC name of the given compound here?
Propanol.
Very good. So, how you telling that propanol?
Because there's 3 carbon atoms in a straight line.
Very good. So, very good. Whatever you said, it is your answer is correct only here. Propanol. Okay. So, while calculating this carbon also you are considering in the parental chain. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
But in this one, in a cyclic ring, so we can start the numbering from here. We cannot start from here. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now, so what is the given cyclic ring? Means it is a cyclohexane. Okay, cyclohexane. But aldehyde group is present out of the ring. Whenever it is present out of the ring means separately we can write as a carbaldehyde. What is the IUPAC name of the given compound? Means cyclohexane carbaldehyde.
So, sir, if it's attached to the first carbon, we don't have to mention a number.
No. So nowhere we are mentioning na if it is attaches with the first carbon atom means. But whenever it is the second carbon atom or third carbon atom, whenever it is attaching me, that position we are mentioning. Okay. Sometimes we may mention, we may not mention also it is correct only, man. No problem. Okay. Sometimes in answers also, in options also, they'll give without numbering. You got the clarity, Aditi? So what is the IUPAC name of this one? It's carbaldehyde. That is the difference. That's why he wrote as a CHO is outside means here because of CHO group is present outside. And if you see second structure I had given sir. In this one, carbon it is present in within a cyclically. Ketone function group is present in within a cyclically. How we can write the IUPAC name of this one?
Sir, is it bicyclo 2, comma 2, comma 2,
Bicyclo 2, 2,
hexa
1, hex
2, comma 6 dione,
Bicyclo 2,
2, comma
2,
2.
it's not 2.
Oh,
Anjan, let us see. This side, left side, this is the bridge carbon atom. This is also bridge carbon atom, Anjan. Okay. So excluding bridge carbon atoms, Anjan.
Okay, so 1.
Okay. Let us see. Excluding bridge carbon atoms, left hand side, this is the one carbon atom. This is the one carbon atom. Okay. So that's why we are writing as a 2. And right hand side also you can check it out, Anjan. Here also one carbon atom. Here also one carbon atom. Okay, total 2 carbon atoms are there right hand side. That's why we wrote as a 2. And in middle, here one carbon atom it is there. Is that clear, Anjan?
Okay, sir. 2,
Okay,
comma 2, comma 1,
2
hexa
comma
2,
2
comma
comma 1. And numbering you can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the seventh carbon atom. Okay, seventh carbon atom is attaches with the 2 methyl groups. 2 lines are there. That means that is represented as a 2 methyl groups. Okay, and while having the 2 methyl groups, before only we had to write now because of substituents are represented with the secondary suffix. Aditi, you got it? So how we can write the IUPAC name of the given compound means 7 comma 7 dimethyl bicyclo 2 comma 2 comma 1 and root word 7 carbon atoms are there. Hence we can write as a heptane. Okay, given compound is saturated. Hence heptane and position of the ketone functional groups. What is the position of the ketone functional groups?
2, comma 6.
2 comma 6 dione. So this is the IUPAC name of the given compound. Now you got the clarity. Can I give one more example to you? Aditi, shall you try for one more example?
Yes, sir.
What is the IUPAC name of the given compound?
3-ethyl.
3-ethyl or one switch ketone? Numbering somewhere this is somewhere you are giving us a different side numbering. Any one of you? I'll explain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total how many carbon atoms are there means here 9 are there.
So it will be non.
Total how many carbon atoms are there?
9.
9 carbon atoms are there. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Today it is chapter 9 carbon atoms.
So
Right
it's
now?
6 ethyl, a bicyclo, 3, comma 2, comma 2, non, 2 ene,
6 ethyl,
bicyclo,
bicyclo,
3, comma 2, comma 2,
3, 2, 2.
non,
Next,
non,
non,
2 ene.
2 e. It is the correct answer. So anyone having doubt? Do you have any doubts how to write the bicyclic compounds? Okay,
No, sir.
so these are the IUPAC names of the bicyclic compounds. Okay, after the bicyclic compounds, next we have IUPAC nomenclature of. Okay, so IUPAC nomenclature of spiro compounds. So which we can call as a spiro compounds? Which we can call as a spiro compounds. Spiro compounds. Spiro compounds. So which we can call as a spiro compounds means. So two cyclic rings are fused with one carbon atom means that we can call as a spiro compounds. Two cyclic rings are fused with one carbon atom. One carbon atom is called spiro compounds. Is called spiro compounds. Spiro compounds. Sir, while writing the spiro compounds, number of carbon atoms. Okay, while writing the spiro compounds, number of carbon atoms in a cyclic rings, both the cyclic rings, we have to write in an increasing order. Okay, so how we can write, sir? While writing. Okay, so while writing the number of carbon atoms, writing the number of carbon atoms in a cyclic ring. Carbon atoms in a cyclic ring. Number of carbon atoms in a cyclic ring. Write in increasing order. Write in increasing order. Writing increasing order. Okay, so what are the examples, sir? So how we can represent the simple example? First, I'll write the one example here. So this is the one cyclopropane ring, and this is the one more cyclopropane ring. So two cyclopropane rings are fused with one carbon atom. That means they combine, they attached with one carbon atom, means that we can call as a spiro compound. This is the simplest example of the spiro compound. Okay, in this one, sir, from where we can start the numbering means we can start from here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, while writing the IUPAC name of the spiro compounds, first prefix we write as a spiro. Prefix we are going to write as here spiro. Okay, excluding these bridged carbon atoms. Left side how many carbon atoms and right side how many carbon atoms are there. Anyway, number of carbon atoms we are writing as in increasing order. So both side here. Left side now how many carbon atoms are there in a given structure? Left side, sir. Sri Veda, Aditi. Anja, Madhusudan.
Sir, two carbon atoms.
Very good one. Two carbon atoms. Then right side.
2.
Right side also the same.
Right side also it is same, sir. Okay. So in middle no carbon atoms are there. That which is fused, sir. That is the bridge one. Bridge one we are not going to be considered. Okay. And root word total number of carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms are there?
5. Pent.
5. What is the root word?
Pent.
Right. Given compound is saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Saturated means then it becomes as a pentane. Okay. So spiro 2 comma 2 pentane. Okay. Now I'll give one more example. I'll give one more example to you, sir. So what is the impact name of the given compound? What is the impact name of the given compound?
So spiro 3,
Yeah,
2 hexane.
spiro
3, 2 hexane.
3 comma 2 hexane. Is it correct? You can start the numbering from here. 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So total number of carbon atoms are 6 are there. Given compound is saturated. And spiro. So increasing order, na? It's not the 3 comma 2. Increasing order we have to write. You wrote as a decreasing order. Decreasing order we can represent in bicyclic compounds. But spiro compounds we have to write in increasing order. So that means we can write as a 2 comma 3 Aditi. Aditi, you got the clarity? What's the difference between the bicyclic and spiro compounds?
Bicyclic, you can write it in any order, like, and
Bicyclic we are writing as a decreasing order number of carbon atoms.
okay.
In spiro compounds we are writing in a increasing order. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you also got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the impact name of this one? Means spiro 2 comma 3 hexane. Okay. Now I'm going to write one more structure. Try this one also. Madhusudan, what is the answer for this one? Sriveda. Sriveda is anyway.
So is it spiro 3, 4
Spiro
3, 4 octane?
Spiro 3 comma 4 octane. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, Aditi. Spiro 3 comma 4 octane. Okay. And one more example. Aditi, what is the impact name of the given compound?
So is it spiro
Hmm.
4, 5 non
Spiro 4 comma 5
non to own?
not 2 non 2 Oh, okay. Right. Start. Aditi, I'm getting 10 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 carbon atoms I'm getting, Aditi.
Then sir, it's deck.
Decane 2 okay. Decane 2 because of saturated compound, Aditi. So primary suffix also we have to write. Decane. Dec is the root word. An is the saturated hydrocarbons. Okay. Second one, Aditi. Aditi, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. What is the impact name of the given compound? Any one of you? Anja?
Sir,
Yes,
is
sir.
it 2-ethyl?
It's not 2 ethyl, ma. You can
Three,
start the numbering from here. 1,
4. Okay.
2.
So we can't start numbering from the carbon which has functional group.
No, no. Always it won't be worked out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because we have pyrocompound means beside one only we have to take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,